Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our physics class. Today, we'll be looking at dimension analysis of physical quantities. Before I proceed, our lesson objective is, at the end of the lesson, learners will be able to find dimension analysis of physical quantities. Now, dimension analysis is a mathematical expression of that quantity in three basic terms: mass, length, and time. For example, 2017 WAEC question says, find the dimension analysis of impulse. Dimension analysis of impulse. Impulse is force times time, which is impulse is equals to Ft. Let's say equation 1. Now, we've seen what the basic term there, which is what? T. And we all know, if you recall, that force is mass times acceleration. Now, from this, force is equal to ma. Let's say equation 2. Let's put this equation 2 into equation 1, which is impulse is equal to mat. Let's call it equation 3. This equation 3, we all know that we've seen what the basic things that I mentioned earlier, mt. It means the word acceleration. And we all know that acceleration is velocity over time. Let's call it equation 4. Now, we will now put the equation 4 into equation 3. Instead of writing acceleration, impulse is equal to m times v over t times t. So now it remains what? The velocity that is there. The velocity is equal to displacement over time. And we know that displacement is a dimension on its own, which is what? L over t. So now let's call it equation 5. Now we put what? The equation 5 into equation 4. Then impulse is equal to m times, instead of the v, we write L over t. L over t over t times t. Now we cannot express this mathematically. Impulse is equal to m times L over t divided by t over 1 times t. Now, if you want to change this division sign into multiplication sign, the numerator of this will come to our denominator, and the 1, which is denominator of this, will come to our numerator. M times L over t times 1 over t times t. This t can eliminate this t. Then this cancel this. Then m times L over t, which is what? The impulse. So make it linear. It should now be equal to mlt raised to power 1. This is the dimension of impulse. This WAEC 2017 question 2. Test your understanding. Find the dimension of power. Thank you very much for your attention. Kindly like and share and comment under this video. See you in the next class.